Hi everyone and welcome to Defense Insight. Today we are going to talk about Agni missile system, in which we will discuss the history of its development and features related to all the series of the Agni family. So let's take an overview of the missile system. The Agni missile is a family of medium to intercontinental range ballistic missiles developed and designed by India, named after one of the 5 elements of the nature, that is Agni. It is nuclear capable surface to surface ballistic missile which is developed under Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. The family comprises of Agni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, among which 1 to 5 are operational and the 6th one is under development. History and development. By the start of 1980s, the Defense Research and Development Laboratory had developed competence and expertise in the fields of propulsion, navigation and manufacturing of aerospace materials based on the Soviet rocketry techniques. Indian political leadership, which include former Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, Defence Minister R. Venkataraman and political advisor to Defence Minister, decided to consolidate all the 3 techniques, which led to the birth of Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, and Dr. Abdul Kalam was inducted as the Defence Research Development Laboratory Director in 1983. There were 4 projects to be pursued concurrently, were born under Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. First one among them was Short Range Surface to Surface Missile, codename Prithvi. Second was Short Range Low Level Surface to Air Missile, codename Trishul. Third, Medium Range Surface to Air Missile, codename Akash. And the fourth one was Third Generation Anti-Tank Missile, codename Nag. Now let's discuss the hurdles that came during the development of the missile system. After India test fired the first Prithvi missile in 1988 and Agni missile in 1989, the Missile Technology Control Regime, which was then an informal grouping established in 1987 by Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom and the United States, decided to restrict access to any technology that would help India in the missile development program. To counter the MTCR, the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program team formed an association of DRDO laboratory, industries and academic institutions to build these subsystems, components and materials. Though this slowed down the process of the program, India successfully developed indigenously all the restricted components denied to it by the MTCR. Agni missile was initially conceived in the program as a technology demonstrator project in the form of a re-entry vehicle, but was later upgraded to a ballistic missile with different ranges. So now let's talk about the Agni series. Agni 1 missile. It is short-range, nuclear-capable ballistic missile designed by DRDO and manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited. Its first test was conducted in 1989 and used by Strategic Forces Command. Strategic Forces Command are those who handle nuclear armaments. Its mass is 12 tons, length 15 meter, diameter 1 meter and is made up of all carbon composite materials. It can carry a payload of 1000 kg. Engine is single-stage composite rocket motor with solid fuel propellant. Its operational range lies between 700 to 1200 km. Maximum speed is 2.5 km per second with accuracy 25 meters circular error probable. Its status is operational and is launched by 8x8 Tetra Transport Erector Launcher. Guidance system is Ring Laser Gyroscope Inertial Navigation System. Agni 2 missile. Designed by DRDO and manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited, it is medium-range nuclear-capable ballistic missile with 2 solid fuel stages and a post-boost vehicle integrated into the missile re-entry vehicle. Its maneuvering re-entry vehicle is made up of carbon-carbon composite material which is able to sustain high thermal stresses of re-entry in a variety of trajectories. First test fired in April 1999 from the IC-4 pad, tested by Special Strategic Command in 2010. Mass is 16 ton, length 21 meter, diameter 1 meter, can carry a payload of 1.2 tons with range 2000 km. Engine is multi-stage solid rocket with accuracy 30 to 40 meter CEP, maximum speed 3.5 km per second, launching platform Tata Transporter Elector Launcher with guidance system Ring Laser Gyroscope Inertial Navigation System. Agni 3 missile. Intermediate range nuclear capable ballistic missile. It's a 2-stage missile which was first test fired in July 2006 from Abdul Kalam Island but failed to reach its target. Next successful attempt was made in April 2007. Mass is 50 tons, length 17 meter, diameter 2 meter, and a range of 3000 km. It is a two-stage missile with first stage booster weighs around 32 tons, was made using advanced carbon composite materials, and the second booster made up of iron-based steel alloy weighs around 11 tons. It can carry a payload of 1.5 tons with accuracy 40 meters CEP and is the most accurate one. Engine is multi-stage solid propellant with propellant of hydroxyl terminated polybutadiene, maximum speed 5 to 6 km per second, guidance system, ring laser gyroscope inertial navigation system, launch platform, rail mobile launcher. Now Agni 4 missile, two-stage nuclear capable intermediate range ballistic missile, first tested in November 2011 from Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha. Propellant used is solid fuel, has length 20 meter, mass 23 tons, can carry a payload of 800 kg and the range is 4000 km. Engine is multi-stage composite rocket motor with accuracy of 80 to 90 CEP, guidance system, ring laser gyroscope inertial navigation system and launching platform 8x8 transporter erector launcher or rail mobile launcher. Now let's talk about Agni 5 missile. Agni 5 missile is an intercontinental nuclear capable ballistic missile. It's a fire and forget missile. That means once fired can't be stopped except by an interceptor missile. It is developed under Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Was first test fired in April 2012 from Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha. Mass 50 tons, diameter 2 meter, length 17.5 meter, speed 24 Mach, engine 3-stage solid, propellant solid fuel, accuracy 10 to 80 meter CEP with operational range of 5500 to 5800 km. It is a 3-stage missile, can carry a payload of 1.5 ton. Launching platform 8x8 Tetra Transport Erector Launcher or Rail Mobile Launcher, guidance system, ring laser gyroscope inertial navigation system. And the status is operational. Now let's talk about Agni 6 missile. The 4th-stage missile is under hardware development phase. It will be intercontinental, surface-to-surface, nuclear-capable ballistic missile. With mass 55 to 70 tons, length will be 20 to 40 meter, diameter 2 meter, will carry a payload of 3 tons. Its operational range will be 6000 to 12000 km. Multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle as well as maneuverable re-entry vehicle can be expected in the missile. DRDO has completed studies on how to anchor, position and fire the multiple warheads. Agni 6 can carry multiple nuclear warheads. So far, all military missiles developed by India can carry only one warhead. Design is completed, engineering work is underway. A senior DRDO scientist was quoted as saying that the new generation Agni 6 missile will be sleeker, easy transportable and would be readily deployed. It will have the capability to be launched from a submarine and from a land-based launcher or road mobile launcher. Thank you.